30 years ago, Riverside Health System created a one-of-a-kind community for active older adults, Warwick Forest, an all-inclusive gated community with the feel of home and the service and convenience of a resort.
We had to be different. We wanted to be better than other folks, provide a better quality of life, better designed facilities, and most of all, we wanted to be a better value. It really is a life plan community, and it tells people that that the rest of their life can be fulfilling and with security, and that their dreams and goals can be met.
The moment we walked into Warwick Forest, we felt it was the place for us. The friendliness you feel as soon as you walk in here is palpable.
As my children come to see me when I first moved in here, said, boy, this is really fancy. You come past the fitness center and the movie theater, it's a great place.
What stands out with me is how nice and how helpful the people who work here have been.
You walk in and you see a fireplace, and people are friendly.
For people moving in out of the area, they are gobsmacked by the welcoming, the continuous help, the involvement of not only the people who serve here, but the people who live here.
These folks are truly the nicest folks, not because they're here at Warwick Forest, but they really are just the nicest neighbors. And they're so happy, they're smiling, they're really living their dream of living life to the fullest.
It's just been peace of mind, really, to be here. And it's like a family type. Everybody is like family. You know, it's just a wonderful place to live.
The whole of the staff have been very friendly, helpful. I think they've taken a lot of cognizance of the various needs of people here, the varying needs of people.
They have made a real effort to provide everything that people in their retirement years like to have and want.
We have household help that comes in. We have wonderful cooking downstairs. They'll deliver if you need it.
Shirley no longer cooks. We utilize the restaurant, and that's very convivial, and I enjoy eating there.
I still work, and I still go to work every day, I still play golf, do all the things I did before, just don't have the burden of maintaining a house.
It was obvious as time went by that we needed to plan for the future, and the nicest thing here is the security. So we're here primarily for the confidence it gives us in our late life.
I guess I participate in the exercise, the water aerobics, and they have wonderful balance classes, and there are other exercise classes that I don't participate in. I do go to yoga. I find it very relaxing. They just offer so much here.
You can do most anything you want to. We have, of course, a lot of athletic opportunities like exercise classes and things. They have an indoor pool.
The grounds are wonderful because not only has it got the perimeter path, but it's got the internal paths as well. And if it rains, we can use the covered walkways. It's brilliant for the dogs, particularly as they're on ground level. We just walk out the door and off we go with them. Brilliant, brilliant.
We had a fairly sizable house, and there was always something that needed attention. Either we needed a plumber, or we needed somebody to do the furnace, or we needed this, and then we had the yard.
It's just a great place to live. Glad we made the decision to move.
Thank you to our amazing staff and wonderful residents for helping us celebrate the 30th anniversary of Warwick Forest. We look forward to the future and to welcoming new neighbors to our growing community.